Legends of Learning presents the Constitution Quest game. This is a history game that makes learning about creating a new constitution fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, in Philadelphia 1787, the American experiment is on the verge of failure. The Articles of Confederation no longer work. Congress cannot tax, cannot enforce laws, and cannot prevent states from fighting each other. Without reform, the Union will collapse. Play as a delegate sent by your state to a constitutional convention. You must listen to every argument, gather ideas from all sides, and turn deep disagreements into compromise. The result will determine whether a new constitution can hold the nation together. This is a game about diplomacy, political tension, and the fragile birth of a nation, where compromise is the only path to survival. Use the mouse to point and click to discuss decisions that will create a new constitution. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.